Dear baby girl, far too many people complain about their jobs. Some days they complain about being overworked, and on other days they complain about boredom on the job. Yet some of them seem to forget how fortunate they are to have a job, especially in today's economy. So if you have a job, be grateful and act like a smart single woman. Let your work ethic reflect your grateful attitude. Don't waste valuable time chatting with coworkers when you should be working. Neither should you abuse coffee breaks nor lunch breaks. Every time you do this, you are wasting time and essentially stealing money from your employer. The most productive employees value every minute of the day. Consequently, these employees are usually rewarded with bonuses, promotions, and more job security than the average worker. The smart single woman also uses a day planner, to-do lists, and other time management tools to help her stay on track and complete important projects in a timely manner. In closing, always remember, if you need my help when life seems unfair, you can always come home, and your dad will be waiting at the top of the stairs. Signed with all my love, your dad.